students. I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy. Yes, you are. Okay. So, in the previous class, we have completed one chapter, that is chapter 6. Today we completed chapter 5 and today we are going to start chapter 6. Okay? The name of the chapter is Enhancing Presentation in PowerPoint. Enhancing Presentation in PowerPoint. What is the meaning of enhancing? What is the meaning of enhancing? Enhancing means to make something attractive. To make something attractive. Okay, so that it is easily visible and it looks so interesting that everyone would watch it. Okay, then PowerPoint, again it comes from MS Office. It is a part of MS Office. Here we mainly create slides. Clear? When we talk about MS Word, we talk about document mainly. Okay? Here we make slide. Okay? And organizing of these slides together is presentation. Organizing of these slides together is presentation. So, enhancing presentation in PowerPoint. Means in this chapter we are going to study that what are the features in MS PowerPoint that help us to enhance our presentation. Clear? In this chapter, these are the following points which we are going to cover. First, we will go through the introduction. Means we are going to study mainly the latest one, that is PowerPoint 2016. Okay, we are going to study about PowerPoint 2016. Okay. In the last class, I have told you what does this represent, 2016, 15, 14. This represents the startup of a particular software. Yeah. Then we will study how to insert an audio file. Yeah. Then how to play an audio or a video file. Then how to delete those files. Then animations. You may be knowing about various kinds of animations, movement of the slideshow. Okay. Then volume or everything. Those animations we will study how to apply them, how to remove them. Then we will study about transition. This is an important topic, transition. Then we will study about recording of PPT or the slideshow. Short form for presentation is PPT. Don't get confused. Okay, PPT means presentation. Then rehearsing timing. Last topic will be rehearsing timings. Means when the slideshow occurs one after the other, then we can set a particular timing for that, 2 seconds, after 3 seconds or after 10 seconds, like that. So that is rehearsing timings. Clear? Okay. When talking about PowerPoint 2016, this feature of MS Office helps us to make attractive, eye-catching and interactive presentations. Okay? Then these are mainly used by the office persons, okay, for telling the details or making the presentations for their businesses, etc. Then this is also a very good technique by which very short topics can be studied. Means long topics can be made shorter for studying, and even it could be made interesting with pictures, videos, then different sort of things. So this is an important one. Clear? And it is very widely used. Then we can insert audio video. That is an important feature of PowerPoint 2016. We can record our slideshow, what we have prepared, we can record it. Then we can set timing. Okay. Suppose we want a particular slide to stop for a longer that. We can apply animations to it. Animation sorry. Animation means different designs. Yeah. Then we can add transitions. Okay. Transitions means how it will move from one slide to another. Yeah. So all these are some of the features of PowerPoint 2016. Okay. For opening PowerPoint 2016, you need to go to Start. Okay. Start button. Then you will go to All Programs. Then you will go to MS Office. In MS Office, you will go to MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint. Clear? So this is the way you can start your MS PowerPoint slideshow. First you will go to the Start button. Then you will go to All Programs. Then you will go to MS Office. And then you will start Microsoft PowerPoint. Then, now inserting an audio file. Okay? Inserting an audio file means how we will add an audio file in our presentation. Then, audio file would be a sound of applause, or it could be a music, either background music or some other music. Then it can be your own recorded voice also. Anything it could be. So those are known as audio files. Clear? Then the steps to insert a music or insert an audio which is present on your PC or your My Documents, My Music, etc. Or you will record your own extent, that is also the option. So step will be this. For inserting the audio from your computer, this will be the option. Okay. First you will go to Insert button. You will go to the, sorry, not button, you will go to the Insert. In the top section, in the top, a tab is there where it shows File, then it shows Edit, then it shows Insert. Okay, you will click on Insert, and when you will click on Insert, there are many options. Okay, insert video, insert audio, insert anything else, pictures, images, all those things. So you will go for audio option. As soon as you go for audio option, a menu will appear in front of you. Clear? Then from that menu, you will select audio on my PC. Means whatever audio is already saved in your PC, you will open that. Yeah? Then when you click on this option, a dialog box will appear in front of you. Okay? And when this dialog box appears, it will give you the option to select an audio. Yeah? Then you will go for selecting the audio. Then selecting the audio means from the location where you have saved it. Then you will click on Insert button. After clicking on Insert button, a speaker icon will be there in your presentation. Speaker icon. Yeah? Then that speaker icon will show that okay, your music or your audio is already inserted there and you can listen to it. Clear? Then, now, if you don't want that audio file and instead you want to record your own, then you will go for again Insert, then you will go to Audio button. Okay, you will go to Audio button. In Audio button again menu will appear. Then you will go for Record audio. Here we went to Audio on my PC and here we will go for Record audio. As soon as you click for Record audio, again you will find a dialog box. There you will type the name of the recording. Means you are going to record and what name you want to give to your recording, you will write there. Clear? Type there. Then after that you will click on Record button. Okay. Then after that you will click on Record button, and after clicking on Record button you will record your voice. Whatever you want to say, you will say it. And then as soon as your recording is finished, okay, your voice input is finished, you will click on Stop button. Okay. And after clicking on Stop button, your audio recording will stop. And now if you want to listen to you will play that and you will listen to it. Then again you will press on OK, and as soon as you click OK, your audio is inserted in the PowerPoint presentation. Can you see this? This is the speaker icon. Okay, this is the speaker icon. Clear? This one. This speaker icon will show you that your recording has or your audio has been inserted. Then when you go in the insert and you go for audio, then you get see two options, audio on my PC and record audio. When you want to record, you go for record audio. When you want from your PC, then go for audio on my PC. Then after that, as soon as you will click on record audio, this type of dialog box will appear, this type. Okay. Here your name will be asked, means name you have to write. Clear? Any name you can give it to it. Then this one, number 4. Okay. Then this number 5. Then number 6. This number 6 is the play button. Okay. Then this one is for recording. Clear? So like this. This one you will play. If you want to record, then you will go for this. If you want to stop, you will go for the second one, means 5th one. And if you want to play, you will go for 6th one. Record, stop, play. Clear? Then you will click on OK button. And when you will click on OK button, your audio will be inserted. Clear? Then, if you want to play an audio file, clear? If you want to play an audio file, you will move the mouse pointer to the speaker icon. Okay, in the picture I have shown you now that a picture icon will appear, and in that picture icon, control bar appears. Control bar appears, and there you are getting these many options. See, this one and this one. This one is for playing and this one is for stopping. Clear? Then, when you will press this, it will appear like this, means it shows that it is playing, and when you will click this, it will become like this, that will show you it is stopped. Then, this one, there from here you can jump to a specific part. Suppose you don't want to listen to the starting one and you think that in the middle somewhere mistake is there, then you can just jump to the specific part which we want to. Then this one, this side arrow and that side arrow, this shows the forward and backward option. You can go forward, you can go backward in the audio. Then this one will help to adjust the volume high to low, low to high, etc. So this is how you can play your audio file. Now, setting properties for audio playback. Means you have recorded it, you have inserted it, now you have listened it to, but now you want to set some properties for audio playback, that how it should be in the presentation, how it should look in the presentation. So for that, you will again click the speaker icon on your presentation slide. Then a format will appear. Tools format will appear. In that format, you will find these many options. First, you will find the start. Clear? When you will find the start means when to start the presentation or when to start the particular audio during the presentation, that will tell you. Then volume, it will adjust the volume, that how much high volume should be there or just the background should be there or low volume, so all these things will be adjusted. Then comes the play across slides, means suppose you are making audible. Then the hide during show. Hide during show means we are seeing the icon everywhere, speaker icon. You want to hide that icon during the presentation. You don't want everyone to see the speaker icon. Then you will go for this property. Then loop until stopped. Loop until stopped means your audio should replay again and again till you stop it. That should be controlled by you. For that you should go for loop until stopped. Clear? Then rewind after playing. The time till when you have not stopped it, till that time it will rewind itself again and again. For that option you will go here. So these are the different formats or the different tools you can use for the playback of your audio in the slide. Now already we have done with the audio. In the same manner we can go for insertion of video too. Okay. For inserting video, you will go to again insert tab. In insert tab you will find a menu. There you will go for video on my PC. Yeah, video on my PC. Then from there you will select your video from the destination folder. Then you will go for insert button. And as you will click this insert button, the image of the video with the control bar will appear. In the audio, speaker icon was appearing. Here the image of the video will be appearing on the screen. Then if you want to edit it means you can make it resize or you can make it larger in size. Like that you can edit it. Clear? So your insertion of video is done. Easy process. Then again, if you want to play the video, then you will take your mouse pointer to the image. Then your control bar will be there. And there you will find these options. See, play, stop, for jumping to a specific part. This one for forward and backward. Then this one for adjusting the volume. There are these options you will get. Then setting properties. Okay, setting properties for the video. For that you will click on the image. After clicking on the image, you will find the video tools format tab. There you are finding audio tools format tab. Here you will find video tools format tab. When you will click on this, you will find these options. Start, volume, play full screen, hide while not playing, loop until stopped, rewind after playing. Means if, when it want to be started automatically or by you or manually, that is being adjusted. Then volume can be adjusted. Playing full screen means you want it to be played full screen or just the half screen. Then hide while not playing means it should be visible only when it is playing and rest of the time it should be hidden. Then loop until stopped means till the time it is stopped by the user, it should continue replay again and again. Okay. Then rewind after playing. As soon as the finish is done, okay, finishing of the video is done, you will go for this option to rewind it again. So these options you will get, and using these options you can set the properties and your work is done. So this is what about video. Now, till now we have seen that either we were recording audio, okay, or we were taking from the My Documents or any other destination. Then for the video also we saw the same thing, that we were taking from the PC or the selected ones. Now the thing is, we can also directly play the online videos in our presentation. That is also the option. Unless and until you have a network connection, clear? Internet connection. Then for this you will go to insert. Then there you will select the video. Then a menu will appear. In that menu you will click the option online video. Clear? Online video. then dialog box will appear, then you will type the content in YouTube search tab. Okay, this when you will start online video, okay, you will click on online video, dialog box will appear and that will be showing you the option of YouTube. Okay, then you will go for YouTube. There the search tab is there. In that search tab you will type the content or the name of the video you want. From there you will select the video you want or you liked. Then after that you will click on insert button. Okay, then it will appear on the slide. Then if you want to edit it or you want to let it play back or you want to listen to it again in the presentation, you will go to video tools playback tab and there you will click on play and you can hear the online video. Clear? So that's what about online video. Clear? Then if you want to delete the audio video, if you want to delete the audio video, in that case you will click on the audio or the video you want to delete, then you will press the delete key. That's it. Your audio or video will be deleted from the particular presentation. Clear?
Hello everybody and welcome to NipPub channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add and insert video in PowerPoint. Here, when you open your presentation, you know that you can add audio, video from your computer or online video recording. You just need a microphone if you want to record a live audio. You have to go in insert and here if you want to insert an audio, go here. You can take one music in your computer and insert it. Here you have an icon and when you click on the play button, they will play the music. Now, if you want to make a record, go to the same page, click on in audio, and take a record audio. You have this window open. And on this window, you have to click on this button and we start the recording. Here you can see the counter. So you play, you speak, you sing, you dance. After you finish, you click on the stop button, this blue button, and okay. Here you have a icon and you can play your record and see what is going on. At the end, when you want to insert a video, it's the same. You not go here, but you go on the video icon, click on it. You can insert online video, or you can choose one video on your computer. Choose the video, push button insert, and the video is on your presentation. Here you can play the presentation and make a break, play again, and so on and so on. Here is the end of the presentation. I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to share it and like and make a comment. And I will see you on the future, on the next video tutorial. Come again and you will see the surprise. Bye bye.
Now our next topic will be animations. Clear? We'll study about animations. So animations are the special effects. Okay, animations are the special effects that we add into our presentation slides so that it becomes eye-catchy and it becomes interesting for the user or the audience. Okay, then it helps us to draw the attention of the audience. Obviously, for example, if you watch a movie, clear? Why you like to watch a movie? Why you all like to watch a cartoon? Because there are some animations which make your eyes getting attracted towards it and you want to watch it. Clear? If suppose, okay, the TV shows or the movies or the cartoons will be same as our normal life, would you find it interesting? Obviously not. You will not find it interesting. So we need some animations. These animations, there are many softwares for animation, and MS PowerPoint also provides scope for animation. This animation is very helpful for drawing the attention of audience and making the slides and presentations very interesting. Clear? Then, this 2016 animations provides us with 4 kinds of animation effects. Entrance effect means how the things will enter into the slide. Emphasis effect means how they will affect other things. Then exit effect, how they will leave the slide. Then motion path effect means how they will work on in the presentation. See, this is the icon which shows the different kinds of effects. You can see this one, this shows the appear and this shows the flying in. 2 types of entrance effects, this way or this way. Then emphasis effect, this is also of 2 types. One is teeter and one is spin. Teeter means coming slowly, it will come slowly, means you can say that while moving or while coming during the entry or exit, they will show some kind of effect. Clear? Then next one, exit effect. This is fly out or sweep. Means they will just take a round and leave, or they will just fly and move to the next one. Then last, motion path effect. There you can see arcs and you can see loops. Clear? Means this shows that how the animation effects will move the object in the slide along the specified path. Means how the movement of object is there in the presentation, that will be shown from here. Clear? Now, how you will apply these animations on your slides? First you will select the object where you want to insert or apply the animation. After that, animation tab is there at the top. There you will click on animation tab. Then when you will click the animation tab, you will get one more option there, more option. Clear? Means 4 to 5 animations are shown there, and when you will click on more than that, means more options will be shown to you in the front. You will click the desired animation which you want, which you find helpful. Then after this, after selecting this, your animation, you will go for effect option button. This is the first animation which you have selected. Then you will go for effect option, means how this animation will look. You have selected the animation. Now how this animation will look into the presentation. So you will go to effect option button and then you will select the variation. Select the variation means different type of variations are there, and from among that you will select one, and then your second animation is added, and when you will start your slide show these two animations you can see. So these are the ways to apply animations. See, in the starting you were shown only one or two effects, right? But when you click on the more option, you find so many. See, for entrance this many are there. Then for emphasis this many are there. Spin, teacher, color pulse, then pulse, transparency, all those things. Then for exit also, disappear suddenly, then fade, then fly out, float out, etc. So you are getting more and more options. Clear? Then this is the tab. See the tabs. You can see here animation tab. Then here you can find the more one. Okay. After selecting you can go for effect option. In effect option you will get another ones. Okay. In the effect option you will get, see these many options you will get. Spokes, 3 spokes, 4 spokes, 5, 8 spokes, means how this should appear in the slide. Okay. This will be shown to you. Then again this plus symbol you can see add animation, means you can add more. Okay. So all these things are given there. Then you want to set properties for your animation. If you want to set properties for your animation, what you can do is you can again go to the animation tab. There you will go for timing. Okay. In the timing you will get 3 options there. See, start box, duration box and delay box. Clear? Inside start box you will again get 3 options. First, on click, with previous, third after previous. On click means whenever you will click with the mouse, then only the animation should start. That is the first option. Second option, with previous, means you have added 2 or 3 animations and all the animations or the new animation should also go with the previous one, means all together. After previous means the second animation should start just after the previous one. Okay? So these options are there. Then after that, duration box. In duration box you can specify the length. You want 2 minutes, 2 minutes animation, you want 5 minutes animation or few seconds animation. That you have to specify the length of animation. Then the delay box. Under delay box you have to tell the duration. You have to tell the duration, means after how many seconds first animation, then second animation, then third, like that. You have to tell the duration, time duration. After that, all these things you have done, then you will go to reorder animation, that is in the right side. There 2 options are there. Move earlier, move later. Move earlier means it should start before the slide moves. Move later means after the movement of the slide it should, means while exiting, and this while entrance. So this is how you can set the properties in your animation. Now I have already shown you about this option in the picture. If you want to apply multiple effects of animation to a particular object, same object, suppose slide number 2, you want to add more than one animation, that you can add. Okay, we can add more than one animation effect to the same object. So for that we have to select the object which is already having an animation. Then we will go for animation tab. Then in animation tab we will find add animation option. Okay, in that add animation option menu will appear. That menu will show you many type of animations, and among that you have to select your desired animation, and that animation will also be added to this object. Clear? So this is about applying multiple effects. Now, if you want to remove your animation, then what you will do? You will select the object. You select the slide or the particular object where you want to remove the animation. Then you will go for animation tab. In animation tab, you will click for more button. There is an option called more button. There you will click, and then you will go for click none. Click none. N-O-N-E, none. Clear? Then your animation will be removed from all the slides. Hence, your animation is removed.
Add animations to text, pictures, shapes, and more in your PowerPoint presentation. Select the object or text you want to animate. Select Animations and choose an animation. Then select Effect Options and choose an effect. There are different ways to start an animation. On Click starts an animation when you click a slide. With Previous starts it at the same time as the previous animation in your sequence, and After Previous plays it immediately after the previous animation happens. Use Duration to lengthen or shorten an effect, or add a delay to add time before an effect runs. And to add more effects to an object that already has one, select Add Animation and choose one. Select an animation marker to change the order it appears on the slide. Choose Move Earlier so it comes earlier in the sequence, or Move Later to have it occur later. If you'd like to add an animation to a group of objects, press Ctrl and select them. Then select Format, Group, Group to group them together. Then select Animations and choose one.
Now, we will start the new topic for today, that is transition. This is also an important part which we can apply to our slides, our presentation, to make it more interesting. Okay? Transition means movement. Okay? Transition means movement. This will make us in our presentation we can add the movement. Suppose we want to move from one slide to the other slide, then how it will go? It can go in this manner, then it can go suddenly, then it can go from top to bottom. Different types of transitions are present, and that allows us to add movement to our slides while going on with the slideshow. Clear? Then, in MS PowerPoint 2016, we get three types of transitions. I show you the image how it is. First is subtle, second is exciting, and third is dynamic. Subtle, exciting and dynamic. We get these three types of transitions in Word 2016. Okay? Now let's see what are those images, or how are those transitions when it looks. You can see here. See the subtle one. Okay, subtle is having many options. You can go under subtle. Then you can see the exciting one. There are also many options are there. Glitter, vortex, drape, fallover, fracture. Many types. Then the dynamic one. Dynamic are less, but the mostly used ones. Okay, dynamic. So these are the different types of transitions which we can add in our presentations. Now, if you want to apply transition just like animation, you will select the slide, one or two or more, whatever slides you want the transition to occur. Then you will click on Transition tab. Okay, when you will click on Transition tab, you will get a few options in front of you. But when you click on More, you will get more. It will expand. After that, the transition gallery will be in front of you. You can choose your own, whichever you like. You can choose it and click on the desired one, and transition will be applied. Okay. Now, again you can set properties here, like you were setting in the animation part. For this, you will again go to the transition tab. After going to the transition tab, this timing will be there. Okay, timing group. This dialog box will appear. Under that, you will get 3-4 steps. Okay. In that, first is sound box. There are different types of sounds which you want to be played while the transition. Clear? The click sound or the movement sound or wind sound, many types of sounds are there. Clear? You can select anyone. Then the duration box. Okay. There you can select the speed, means after 2 seconds, after 3 seconds, after 4 seconds, like that you can select your timing, duration. Then third is the advanced slide. Okay, advanced slide. This advanced slide will have two options again. Mouse click checkbox and after checkbox. Clear? If you will click on mouse click checkbox, then every time for the showing the transition in your presentation, you have to click the mouse. You have to mouse click and then only your presentation will start. But if you click after checkbox, then one after the other transitions will automatically go on. Then last comes the apply to all. When you will click this apply to all, your transition will be applied to all the slides. Clear? And hence the properties are set.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to apply slide transitions in a PowerPoint presentation. First of all, click on the title slide, go to the Transitions tab, and select a transition style from the many options. You can click on the arrow key to expand the gallery and check out all the options available. To apply the transition on the slide, simply double-click on that option. Press Shift plus F5 from your keyboard to switch to the full screen mode. To exit the full screen mode, simply press the Escape key. You can edit the selected transitions by opening up the Effect Options menu and selecting an option from the list, for example, the direction of the transition, etc. Click on the Apply to All option to apply the transition on all the slides in the presentation. Press Shift plus F5 for the full screen slideshow again and use the spacebar or arrow keys to change the slides. You can edit out the duration of each slide and edit it to suit the requirements of your presentation. Increase or decrease the time for each slide using the slider next to the duration option. You can preview all the changes made by clicking on the Preview button on the top left side of the screen. Always remember to save any changes you make.
Now, time to remove the transition. Once you have added the transition, sometimes you may need to remove it. Yeah? So for that, you will again select the slide where transition is there. Then you will go to the transition tab. Yeah? In that transition tab, again you will go for more. Then transition gallery will appear. In that, you will go to the particular category. I have written here subtle. Okay, but it is not necessary that you need to write subtle only. Why? Because you have to choose that category which you added here. Either it is subtle or it is dynamic or it is something else. Clear? Then you will go there and you will click on None. And hence your transition will be removed from there. Done. Then, next topic, recording slideshow. Now, in the starting, we have studied that 2016 PowerPoint gives us the option to record our slideshow. So, for that, you will go to the slideshow tab. See, slideshow tab that will be present in the ribbon. Then you will click record slideshow button. There will be a button called click record slideshow button. After that, you will click on start from beginning. Clear? Start from beginning. Then a dialog scope will appear which will show you two options. Okay? Slide animation timing. One, slide animation timing, and second, narration inks laser painter. Okay? These two will be shown to you. After that, you will go for start recording button. After clicking on both, you will go for start recording button. Then it will start. Then you can speak in the microphone. Microphone is the must. Okay, you will start speaking in the microphone and then you will click on, see, one dialog box will appear again which will show you pen, laser painter, tool. Here, you will click on pen and laser painter tools. In that you will find three options: highlighter, laser painter and pen. You can choose any among this. there is a particular timing which we have to set and we cannot exceed that. So for that case, you will go to slideshow tab. Okay. Then you will click reverse timing button. You will get this option. Then you will go for recording toolbar appears. Okay. There will be a recording toolbar appearing in front of you. There you will click on next. There you will click on next. Then again you can repeat the same process for more. And then the total time will be displayed in front of you. That okay, it is 3 minutes this much second or 5 minutes or that much. Then yes or no to save. Yes and no will be shown to you for saving it. If you want that, if it is appropriate for you, you click on yes, otherwise click on no and your timing is set. If it is no, then again go for the same steps. If it is yes, then don't. Now, if you want to remove this rehearsed timing which you have set, no other different process, this much process will be removed. Same, you have to go to slideshow tab, then you have to click rehearse timing button, then recording toolbar will appear. In that, instead of next, you will go for clear. And when you will go for clear, your rehearsed timing will be reset. Clear? So that's it about this. In this chapter, we studied about enhancing presentation in PowerPoint. So let's recall in a quick manner whatever we have studied in this chapter. First, we studied just the introduction part. Then we came to the main topic, that is inserting audio video. There we learned the steps to record that. Then we also learned how to record our own voice. Then we started studying playing audio video, means how to play them. Then animations, okay, how to apply animation, how to remove animation, how to set properties and everything. Again the same properties were studied for transition. Then recording, how to record a slideshow, and then rehearsing the timing for the slideshow. That's it about this chapter. If you have any doubt, then please first you go through the video. If you have any doubt, then please tell me. I shall try to clear your doubts. Okay. So that's it for today. Have a good day. Be safe at home. Thank you.